Why are you taking picture of Lenny?
I'm a fan.
You're a fan?
Yeah.
This way.
No.
Today I am gonna show Olaf around our neighborhood just to see how things look. Oh.
What's this?
We are going to Naga City proper, and I will show Olaf the city because last time he was here we didn't go there, we just passed by. Yeah, right? Yeah, so now he will have a proper tour, and he wants his phone to be fixed, so we will also go to a how do you say, technical shop, technician. Yeah. Put your hands up, put your hands up. Bichara po. Bichara. Bye-bye. Yeah. We're looking for the place where Olaf's gonna fix his phone. Now we have reached the repair shop, and this guy will repair Olaf's phone. He said the problem is the charging port.
No mask.
No, I'm shy.
No.
Should I remove the mask?
Yes.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Earlier, when we were at the tricycle, I asked the tricycle driver how much is the fare. Even though I know the price, I just want to make sure maybe the price changed. And then the tricycle driver said, if it's an American, the price is higher. How dare him? And I just did like this, like they're very mean, you know. So they judge the fare by the race. And he's not American, he's Swedish. So up here you will see all the second-hand clothes.
Big summers from China.
We are at the market side now, and we're gonna buy food for tomorrow's trip. We're gonna go to a falls, and we're gonna cook pineapple pasta. Ate, sailing mo ate, pero ang kaipuhan ni ate.
Pili mo dalawa. Kuin dalawang tas kabang katakay.
Yeah. I'm right. That's okay.
One small. You give it to her after.
Okay. Only this one, sir? No more?
Yeah, no more.
31.
Whatever I said, so.
75 na lang.
Okay.
See it.
Oh.
You would like some pineapple?
Pineapple.
Yes.
Pick the ripe one.
Right. Is it ready to eat? Yeah.
How much? Magkano po kuya? 30? 40? Okay po. We bought one mango, and the mango cost 60. How much is it?
64.
64 one piece. So expensive. Yeah, I think it's too much for one piece of mango. And now we are at DIY, Mr. DIY, Olaf's favorite place in Asia. to the jeepney driver. And Olaf said it's a big responsibility sitting close to the driver, which is true. That's why I told him I don't like sitting close to the driver. We're gonna have our dinner at Chef Doy's. This is a Filipino restaurant and I think Asian cuisine also. Okay. So this is a shrimp with squash and beans in coconut milk. And that's ensaladang talong in soy sauce. That's eggplant. Aubergine.